So I bought a bunch of stuff from IKEA for my new home, and first of all, what I noticed is that they keep making the designs unnecessary complex and adding components that do not really need to be added. And I'm talking about not needing to be added from an engineer's perspective as well as a luthier's perspective that I am. But okay, I can understand whatever design concepts, and maybe they want to push the service of assembly a bit more, maybe they want to bust your chops a bit more, whatever. I'm over it. Look at this thing. Tell me what this is about. It says IKEA and has weight on it. I mean, really? There were 3 of them in a pack. I don't know how much they weigh, maybe they're like 5 kilos. So 15 of them. And they were on this beam. They have instructions to lift them up from the beam, remove them, and get the beam, and not move them all together because it's heavy. What are you doing? What is the purpose of having these bricks here instead of having stuff like that? Why are you making things heavier? Why IKEA? Why? This will not bend. Or if you think it's going to bend for some weird reason, just make it thicker, just make it a bit harder. Surely it must be cheaper to make this like half a centimeter, a fourth of a centimeter thicker, so you can assure not bending, and adding 15 kilograms of weights inside. Come on, IKEA, stop messing with us. Mystery solved. IKEA has put the 15 kilos so we can add it in the construction, because they created something that is structurally faulty, and if you open the drawers that will fall forward, which is not explicitly stated on the product page. I mean, I could understand if they said you have to either put a shitload of weight so it doesn't fall because you couldn't create something structurally nice or functional, or you have to screw it on the wall. This is Songesand. Vad fan, IKEA behöver du hjälp både design? Did you fire the experienced designers and you hired kids to draw random shit? Or did you recycle old pictures? You don't know how to make a structural base, like make it thicker? You don't know how to calculate the height and the base size according to the height and the expansion of the drawers? Are you, what, you had a stroke? Did the project manager just hit his head and now I have an instructor? They made it curved so you can lock. You actually paid this much attention to this detail, but you couldn't make the base thicker. You could also, make it uneven and bent. I don't know, I'm giving you ideas, guys. We obviously need them. This sucks. This is not a good design. This, even for IKEA. I mean, I know many people will say, what do you expect? It's IKEA. It's IKEA. It's a great Swedish company. It has the perfect designs for the perfect, or at least it had, the perfect designs for the perfect amount of money, which you couldn't really get anywhere else. And now, what is this? What goes in through your mind? I would really like somebody from IKEA to answer me. What? This is so poor design. It reminds me of, guitars with head die that we used to put coin pouches in the electronics cavity so it could balance out. and would play it. I mean, dude, not cool.